guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be turning this, I call it a lazy Susan. I don't know what people call it these days, but this lazy Susan, we're going to turn it into a pretty beach scene with some resin and some paint. Is new here and would like to subscribe, I would appreciate it. I have a goal this year to get 1,000 subscribers and I am inching my way there. I put up videos every Wednesday, either some crafting, some cleaning and organizing, and even some shop with me videos. But please subscribe below. Thank you. Sand is from Rehoboth Beach, Delaware, one of my favorite beaches to go to in the summertime and spend time there. I love the boardwalk and just sitting on the sand. A lot of people watching. Is there a beach you guys like to go to in the summertime or even off season? Off season's a good time to go to the beach too. Less people, peaceful. What's your go-to beach to go to? Let me know in the comments below. feel like this is my first time really using the heat gun. If I'm doing something wrong, please let me know. Any tips and tricks is appreciated. I like how it turned out, except for the vein effect at the top, which I was able to remove most of with some alcohol. I think it turned out okay. It could be better, but we're off to a good start. Next, we just have me being a little extra. I didn't like the white paint. I don't feel like it looked very clean. So why not add some glitter? This glitter was from the Hobby Lobby. It's just a fine glitter. I like how it turned out. I have other beach coasters that are gold. So this does match, and I do like how it turned out. Let this glitter dry for 24 hours, and then I sprayed the glitter and the resin with some clear finishing spray just to lock everything in so you don't have glitter trails all over my tables. If you guys made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe below, and I will see you guys next Wednesday for some crafting, shopping, or cleaning and organizing. See ya, guys!